I discovered Alabama 4-H I played baseball in high school and I had a couple knee injuries and I had to find something else to do. They came over the intercom and said something about the 4-H shooting program. I didn't know much about it. So I went to Justin's classroom, asked him a little bit about it, and I signed right up. I started off, wasn't shooting quite as much, maybe once a week, and then it turned into 3 times a week. When I first got into shooting sports, it was me and my dad. He saw every single shot I took. He was there every step of the way. And he passed with COVID, and then I took a little break, but I picked it back up pretty quick and kept going on. And I still think every shot I take, he's right there beside me. I've always said I was going to win a national championship. I always said it. It was always my biggest goal. And I told my daddy, I said, one day I will win a national championship. And it happened. And that was a big achievement on my list. We won the state in Alabama, and that gave us a shot at Grand Isle, Nebraska. And we drove, I think it was 23 hours, and we drove all the way up there. Nebraska was different. It's flat. It's prairie winds. It's a completely different element. I kept my head high, went into skeet, and didn't miss a target, shot 100 out of 100. Ended up shooting off with a kid from Texas with 100. There was only 200 shot in the whole national championship. And I got him by 1 target. Justin snatched me up and gave me the biggest hug he'd ever given me. I've shot a lot of big shoots, but that one right there was the most nervous I've ever been pulling the trigger. Without all the community help, there's no way we could have made it. Everybody's there for you every step of the way. 4-H people are amazing. I know our people down here, got Justin Browning, the coach, Kim Good as our director, and they will help you out with anything you need. If you don't have it, they'll get it for you. If you need help with something, they will find you help. So I know I've never had any problems with it, and I tell everybody 4-H is a way to get introduced into the sport. I'm Caymen Barron. I'm a 4-H shooting sports champion.